So this is how to use the coffee machine, which is a Nescafe Dolce Gusto. I think their website has much better instructions than this, but anyway, here we go. So water is topped up in this thing here. You can just pour it in. This water thing does detach, and you can fill it up that way, or you can just pour the water straight in. I think there's some levels, minimum levels there, but that's where the water goes. And to make a new cup of coffee, you open up this front and you pull out this little fella, tip that out somewhere, and then take a new capsule. You can buy these in Hibidino in San Blas or in Mercadona in Chafiras, which is where I buy mine. Then this slides in like so. Close that. Sometimes you'll see this light flashing red. You just have to wait about 5-10 seconds before it goes green and it's ready. So once it's ready, you slide this fella to the right, and it starts to make your coffee, which is great. It takes about between 1 and 2 minutes, I'd say, to fill up. I won't keep the video running all that time, but just be warned, this does not stop automatically, so you have to stay and watch it and switch it off. And the way you switch it off, you just flip this back to the middle. If that's helpful, thanks, bye.